Screen is visible to everyone? Okay, so it's visible. That's great. Okay, so we are going to learn what we are going to learn. First of all, we will cover that things. Okay, so week one, this is a week one. Okay, so in week one, we are going to cover introduction to generative AI, different LLM models, what are their size, benchmarking, okay, prompt engineering, the project that we are going to do, doubt solving session, and particularly what the topics that we are going to cover. That is about the open source model, closed source, how to use the Hugging Face model hub, what are the different benchmarking arena like score, multi-choice is there, okay, reasoning, and there are a lot of other things that we are going to cover in first week. And first week, first session that currently we are on this one. Okay, so today we are going to cover all these things. And in second, we are going to cover prompt engineering. So this is week one. Week two, we will going to see RAG, okay, how we will build the RAG system, how to load the unstructured data, building knowledge base, chunking, indexing, everything. In week 3, advanced RAG. Okay, week 4, evaluation and debugging and deployment. Week 5, fine tuning and AI agents. Week 6, building industry level solution and pipeline tracking. And in last week, this is about like bonus for everyone, where we will talk about the job assistant, how to go into the good, like how to increase your creditability of your profile, LinkedIn profile, resume, cover letter, everything. So this is all about it is. Okay, and this particular sheet is available on our Discord channel as well as LinkedIn as well as website. Everywhere it is available. You can just join. And here's our website. This is my profile. This is registration link. And whatever the sessions that we are going to do, it is going to available on 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝐻 YouTube channel. Okay, and we will share the recorded sessions in the Discord group as well as a link, Discord channel, and this is a WhatsApp community. And one more thing that we are going to share, which is every day, whatever that we are going to learn in a live session. In that case, we will give you a proper summary and highlighted topics that we covered in the whole session in the form of the article, which again that you will get on our Discord channel. Okay, we will share that link as well. Got it? Till now, anyone have any questions? Okay. No. So I will going to answer the previously questions. So let's open the website. So the few of the people are just, so this is our website. You can go, and this is our first program. Other programs are coming soon. This is enroll now. So you will get completion certificate, okay, experience letter. If only you will complete the whole 6 weeks, then only you will get the experience letter. Certificate also you will get, okay, hands-on project portfolio, direct mentorship from industry expert, networking opportunity, and access the 𝗲𝗲𝗄𝐻 community. And what the curriculum of this one? 500 hours of the learning, 20 events that we are going to organize online, 50 plus job opportunity, 40 plus live mentorship sessions, 100 plus DSC problem that we will share with you, and 10 plus projects. So this is what that we are going to do. Okay. Anyone have any questions on this one? And basic prerequisite, if we talk about, so basic prerequisite is we can talk about like machine learning, data science. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, yeah, we'll share the all these links in the chat, so that will be helpful for everyone. Yeah, this is the links, so that will be helpful for everyone. Now I will share one more thing. Yeah, now this is our academy. okay, where you will get the whole course. So that link also I'm going to share. So this is the first program, generative AI program. Okay, so you can just enroll this one. It is a free. Okay, so everything is available here as well. Okay, so you can look into it. So this is week 1, what we are going to cover today. So let's start with the foundation model. So this is introduction. This is like every resources is already available, different LLM models and size, benchmarking, prompt engineering with the proper resources and LinkedIn, sorry, YouTube videos, everything is available here. And what project that we are going to do, so that is also available. And what are the guidelines of the project, that you will able to get it here. So what are the guidelines and how you can submit, that we will convey from the our email. Okay, so this is also that you can cover. Anyone have any doubt till here? So we can start our learning on our learning. Okay, so let's start with this. So this is the link which is already available on our course. Okay, so what is a actually Gen AI, how it's come into the market, why everyone is talking about the generative AI, like, so that's the most important thing that we all have to be just to focus on. Okay, so let's see. So how the things has been started. This is the best picture that I got on the link, like Google. So the things has started from the 1950, rule-based data processing. Okay, the things started from rule-based data processing. After that, test shift to the machine learning. After that, neural network, then transformer. Then we got attention. All you need a paper that is changed the whole industry of the machine learning and data science. And after that, one by one, we are getting the large language models. So large language model means they are not like a super duper something that is not going to happen before. No. So already a bird kind of the language model came in the market. But when the lot of data has been trained, a lot of data has been trained. So in that case, lot of data and lot of the GPU power give to the power LLM models. So this is where the large language models come into the picture. If you will train on the small data, then it is not a small language model. Okay. So if you will train on the large model or large data, billions of parameter, then it is a kind of large language model. If you will train on the small data, then it is not a small language model. So as we know, statistics comes, then machine learning, then NLP, then rise of the pre-trained model. So what is the meaning of the pre-trained model? Where a lot of the companies and the open source communities train their model and put into the internet. You can just download it and start learning it and start using it. That is known as the pre-trained model, where you don't have to push yourself to train the model. Okay, you can directly call that API or download in your system and use it without training from the scratch. That already been trained. You have to just do your whatever the task that you are looking for. So that's known as a pre-trained model. Now, what is a foundation model? So foundation model is the backbone of the all AI models available in the market. Okay, so which is like trained on the unlabeled data and basically a pre-trained model also that you can say. And there are the two major types of the foundation model. First category of NLP, which is we known as a language models, and other is computer vision, which is we known as a diffusion model. Got it? Anyone have like any doubts? Then please let me know. Okay, in the comment section, we will look around it. Okay, so this is a major two things. Now, how to access these large language models? So first one is fine tuning. The second one is prompting. So fine tuning, where we will fine tune a particular model on our data set. Okay, and prompting, where we are doing on the daily basis on the chat GPT on this, all the tools are available in the market. That's known as the prompting or prompt engineering. So this is a flow. This is how the things has been come. Statics model, machine learning, NLP, pre-trained model, okay, foundation model, fine tuning and prompt engineering. Okay, you have only two methods to access any language model or foundation model, which is fine tuning and prompting. Once you will fine tune, screen one again, let me know once it's visible to everyone. It's visible for everyone. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so after that we'll see what are the foundations model. So this is the foundation model where you can give text, images, speech, structured data, 3D signals, and you will do the training, either one of them or any combination of text or image of speech. When you have a particular data, then it is like a model which can work only the text data. Okay, when you have the a model which can work on the multiple scenarios like text and image, so in that case what will happen? In that case, that model known as a multiple model or multimodal model, okay, that have the ability to work on the text as well on images. Then you do the training on the large amount of data with the large of the GPU, and you will create a foundation model. Once you will able to create a foundation model, then you can do the task like question answering, sentiment analysis, information extraction, image captioning, and a lot of others that currently everyone is doing on the chat GPT. And like other tools are there, Gemini is there, so they are the light kind of this things that you can do. Now they are the 5 characteristics of the foundations model. And now why I am putting my efforts just explaining you more about the foundation model, because that you are looking the chat GPT, Gemini, they all are the tools. Okay, they are all tools which build on the foundation model. So you should know about all these fundamentals, that basic that you should know. If you will able to know it, then only you will able to get into the more deeper and able to create a good use cases and the projects for your company. So this is one, like it is a pre-train, so with the large data and massive compute, so that it is ready to use without any additional training. Generalize means one model can do many tasks, okay, but in the case of traditional machine learning or AI, where we are creating a specific model which can be, which only work for the image, only work for the NLP. But nowadays the things has been changed totally, that you can develop or you can do everything as a generalized. You can take example of Gemini, Cloud, okay, Entropy models, Mistral is there, and Chat GPT models are there, where you don't have to change your model. You have to not change every time your like kind of the model API that you are using. You only have to change your prompt. You have to twin your prompt. So this is a way that it is known as the generalized model. Now the third point is adaptable. Why it is adaptable? Because through only prompting, only saying something, they will able to do your job. But in the case of the traditional AI, it don't have that power. Large, it is very large. You can see 175 billion parameters, okay, and 5, you can see like 5k million words, equivalent to the 10 times of the human reading non-stop. 10 lifetime of the human reading non-stop. And self-supervised means no specific labels are provided. The model has to learn from the patterns in the data which is provided. But in the traditional world, what we are doing in traditional AI, what we are doing, we are just giving a particular data with the proper labels, and after that we are doing all these things. So but in the case of foundation model, it is not a case. So that's why foundation model is very much important.
Now I told you there are the only two different types of the foundations model. One is large language model, NLP, category is NLP. Other is diffusion model, category is computer vision. When you are working with the like mid journey, so you can consider that the foundation model known as the diffusion model, and for the large language model we known as a natural language processing. Okay, only for the natural language processing. Now there is one more category coming in the market, which is multimodal, who are the responsible for all these two, NLP as well as the computer vision. Okay, now this is an image, okay, where we can see, I will enlarge it. So how the things has been come into the market: T5 2019, GPT-3 2020. So this is whole timeline of the models which came in the market. Got it? Now what are the different types of the models? Okay, anyone have any questions till now? So let me know, I am happy to answer. So open source and closed source. So open source, where you can download your model and use it. Closed source, GPT, you don't have to know what is in the architecture level. It is mostly known as the black box. You don't know what is architecture, you don't know what is the logic, you don't know how to make changes in the architecture of the GPT model. It's not possible. You don't even have the that right, that you can able to see how the things are working in the inner architecture of the GPT. Okay, so that's the closed source. But open source is not like this. Open source is totally available, editable, download, delete, not delete, modify and share with your own. Share is as a your own model after making the changes over there on that particular model. So this is the two category are available in the market. It's totally depend which one you want to be used. It's always depend on use case to use case, which one you want to be use it, either open source or closed source. So that's the thing. Now there's one more again category coming into the market, which is third party cloud services. Now the cloud services means AWS, DigitalOcean, GCP, okay, Azure, all are building their own models, variety of the foundations model that they are doing. And also what they are doing, they are partnering with the other open source companies, okay, and they are hosting, because closed source is already hosted and we able to use it, but open source we cannot able to use it, because we have to be download first, then only we will able to use it, otherwise we cannot be. Okay, there is one more way, like where the Hugging Face take the responsibility and put the whole all open source LLM models on their platform, and with the help of the API we can use it. But again, without hosting we cannot be use it. You have to be host, you have to make that particular thing live or public, okay, then only you will able to use it. Or you want to use it in your system, then you have to locally download in your system, then only you will able to do it. So this is a way that you can use the open source. So here the third party cloud services come into the picture, and they are saying that we will provide you AWS. Okay, you come on our platform, and all the whatever like list of the popular models are available in the market, we hosted on our platform. You come use as a direct API. You don't have to care about the hosting, charging and resources management, nothing. Everything we will sort it out, and you have to just directly use it. Okay, so this is way that the people of the third party cloud services are doing. So this is all about the third party cloud services that they are doing. And again, we have only two ways: fine tuning and prompt engineering. So prompt engineering that we are doing, fine tuning we will fine tune on the specific data sets, and after that again we have to do the like prompting to get our result that we are looking for. So this is about the third party cloud services that currently they are doing. Got it? Anyone have any questions? So we have the open source, closed source, particular. See, this is a Hugging Face, okay, where you have to just give your model name and you can able to use it. That's it. You don't have to host on your own. You can able to train it. There's a lot of the code is available, but I'm not just saying that you have to do this one. I'm just saying that with the help of the simple code, you will able to directly use it. Okay, this is one. And there's a hub of the models. Okay, let's see, this is a hub. Okay, Hugging Face models all are available here. See, all models are available here. You can just go and see which one you want to be use it. Just take llama. Okay, I am opening this one. Then you have the option how to access. So see, this is a way that you can access it. This is a model ID, this is a transformer, this is a torch that you have to import, and after that you are good to go. All this open source model, you can directly download it. If you don't want to be it, then Hugging Face provided a particular API. With the help of that, you will able to do proper API call, and you don't have to just worry about all these things. Okay, nothing about this one. You have to directly call the API and good to go. So this is a way that you can able to do it. Now if you talk about the LLM and SLM, so as I told you earlier, so when we talking the small language model, which will work on the laptops, smartphone and desktop, and raspberry kind of the IoT devices, in that case SLM used. Okay, this is the only way that you can use, because large language model cannot be available for your devices, because your device don't have that level of the power, that level of the RAM. So in that case you need SLM, which is very small. So best example currently is Phi, and now Llama by the Meta also release few models which are the small language models that you can use. Okay, so this is the SLM. Now we talk about the LLM benchmarking. So this is very important. So I will recommend everyone, please pay attention here. Now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, LLM benchmarking. Why benchmarking is important? Okay, because see, every model have their good and bad thing. This is one. And second, not every model is best in each case. Why? I will tell you. GPT is good for the complex task. It's not good for the creativity of the articles, where Gemini is good into the particular kind of the writing, okay, content creation and all this kind of things. So you have to identify first what is your use case, what project that you are going to work. So this is a way that you will able to know, okay, this is my criteria. What's your criteria? You have to work on the text, and other people is there who are working on the particular complex mathematics problem. So according to that you will able to search, and you will able to go and do the research on the internet, which model is best or top 2 or top 3 into the particular segment on which that you are looking for. Okay, now there are the different benchmarking. So first benchmarking is human eval. So human eval is the benchmarking for the code generation. When you are talking about the code generation kind of the use case, so in that case you have to go on the leaderboard. I will show you the leaderboard as well. Okay, let me share that as well. So there is one leaderboard by the Hugging Face. I am opening. Yeah, here it is. So this is, links is available at the course, don't worry about it. Okay, so this is a leaderboard. You can see Open LLM leaderboard. So I will open this one. Go and blindly go and test doing your everything on the top of the GPT-4 or GPT-4o or Gemini. No, you have to do the proper research. You have to know what are the different parameters, what are the different benchmarkings are available, and what's my use case, and according to my use case which benchmarking that I can use it. Okay, so it's opening. Yeah, see, here it is. See, 𝗕𝗲𝗏𝗃. Okay, so you can see every model have their own benchmarking. Okay, this is a way that you will able to compare. Okay, this is one way. Okay, this is one way. The link is already available, you can have a look on it. Okay, and open. Now if we talk about the other benchmarking, okay, so which is MBPP, mostly basic Python programming. Your company saying that you have to build a chatbot who can have the ability to generate the code and answer the related questions only for the Python, nothing else. In that case, you have to go and blindly check this number. That's it. Good to go. Okay. Now there is a different benchmarking available for the chatbot, which is the chatbot arena. Okay, this is one benchmarking. Okay, empty bench, this is when you are challenging multi-turn questions to evaluate the conversational instruction following by the ability of the model. So this is like multi-turn questions. So in that case you have to see what your use case. So you can see this one. See, writing, role play, extraction, reasoning, math, coding, knowledge 1, knowledge 2. So this is all about it is. Okay, so you have to figure out which benchmarking that you want. Without good understanding of the benchmarking, you cannot able to see, you cannot able to choose which model is best for me. Okay, now reasoning. There is another category of the benchmarking for LLM, which is reasoning. So ARC benchmark, you are just building something very like kind of the complex chatbot or the use case which have the ability to give you the like guidance or kind of the what we can say, like you are saying something and the model is have the ability to think on your particular kind of the question. So in that case you have to go for the reasoning ability. So you should compare ARC benchmarking of different models. Okay, and leaderboard I already shown you. Okay, so there is one more, 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏, common sense reasoning. So they are the common sense reasoning benchmarking is also there. So this is a way that you will able to know. Now there is one more most important and popular benchmarking where everyone is looking for. Okay, which is MMLU, which is multitask accuracy. Multitask means that the people have worked on 57 tasks considering the branches of knowledge including humanities, social science, hard science and other areas. So when you are looking a model who can able to give the answer of the basic things. Okay, so in that case you should know about the benchmarking, which benchmarking that you have to use and which one you don't have to use. So this is a way that you will able to know it. Got it? Anyone have any questions on benchmarking? One tool is there, okay, which has been built by the LLM site, built by the 𝗲𝗏𝗃 only. Okay, so that will help you to evaluate what is your use case. Okay, so see, so you can choose which model that you are going to use and they will give you the proper cost comparison. See, this is a proper cost comparison is there, which model that you have to use, which don't you have to use. Okay, so this is the way the things is on our tool. Again, the resource is available on our this particular course. Okay, now if we'll see the different size of the models. Okay, now why it is important to see the different sizes. Okay, so let's open that one and let's discuss that area. See, so this is a like models list by the OpenAI. GPT-4o mini, okay, GPT-4o turbo 3.5 Dell whisper embedding, okay. So they are the and what is the meaning of the size? The meaning of the size is totally depend on what kind of the parameters and what number of the parameters has been used to train that particular model. This is one. And also you have to look on the context window. That means 128 tokens means how many words that particular model can understand and can able to answer. What is the limit? So this is a limit of context window, and maximum output is 16k. Okay, so you can give the input of 128k for the GPT-4o and maximum output 16k. Okay, so this is the few things that you have to keep in your mind when you are developing any chatbot. So chatbot will not come into the size of 128k tokens. No, it will not. So you have to choose according to that, because as the token will increase, your pricing will increase. So you have to be think from that angle. But when you are talking about the writing scripting, okay, writing a script of a video, of a film, or the article, so in that case you have to think about the what will be the context window and what is the maximum output tokens. So this is the way the things will work, and you have to keep in your mind how the things will, that I will take care of it. Okay, so there are the multilingual models is also there. Okay, and as you can see, there are the few models like GPT-4o turbo which have the 4k tokens only. Context length is there. Context length means input. Maximum output that can give only 4k. So this is like the difference between these two numbers, and that you have to be know. Okay, because it's again depends on the pricing. It's directly proportion to the pricing as well. When you are working in a company, then you have to know that as well. So if we will say see the pricing comparison, see this is the pricing. So 1 million input tokens and 1 million this, like when you are batch. Okay, so we will not talk about the batch, we'll talk about the 1 million output tokens and 1 million output tokens for this one. See how the things are there. If we will talk about like other model like 4o mini, so in that case you can see the pricing is different. Okay, see this is a different and this is a different. So that's why you have to take care of your token as well, because where the pricing will be come to the picture, because it's directly proportion how many the tokens that you are using, that level of the money that you have to give. Okay, so you have to very optimal when you are using any API base. Okay, like as a third party, whatever it is, all one is based on the pricing. Got it? Anyone have any questions? Okay, so this is all about the pricing. Now how to access the pre-trained models, let's see. So I told you, so there is a transformer model is there. With the help of that you can able to do it. Okay, so you can just directly tell the name of your transformer and tokenizer, and you will able to use it. Okay, this is a way on the Hugging Face that you can use. And also there are the third party libraries are available. With the help of that you will able to do it. Okay, so this is all about the like basic Gen AI open source model, closed source model, LLM benchmarking is the way to see how well the particular model is uh, working on the particular kind of the task. Okay, LLM versus SLM is there. Okay, different models are there, different LLM and platforms are there. So we will talk about the different platforms. So they are the different platforms. Okay, see, GPT by OpenAI, Gemini by Google, Llama by Meta, Cloud from Anthropic, Command from Coherence, Falcon, okay, Mistral, Phi, Grok. So this is all that you can use it. Okay, and yes, it is available. Chatbot API open for all. Okay, is like open source. Gamma is open source. Falcon is also open source. Mistral is also open source. So this is a way that you will able to see. Okay, and like there's one more. image. Yeah, see, data is there, then you have to give the training, then you have to get the feedback, algorithm there, and your model is ready. So this is a basic understanding that you can use of it. Got it? Best LLM in 2024. Yeah, so open by the developed by the OpenAI, more than 175 billion parameters, okay, available in the deep learning architecture. Context window 128K, access by API, not open source. Again, Gemini by the Google, okay. Gamma is open source, developed by the Google itself, and you can use it. Okay, Llama is used by, and just you can use by the, okay, available on the Hugging Face. Now I will tell you how you can use it. Okay, so I will open a good one, so that will help you to understand how you can use different models, open source models. Okay, so this is a Hugging Face chat link where you can go into the models, and you can choose Meta, Cohens, Meta Llama. Okay, there are a lot of the models that you can choose, and directly click on it, and you can start topic your whatever that you want. So this is a way that you can use the open source model. You don't have to load it, you don't have to wait it. Now there is one more link that will help you. So I am give me a bit, I am open that as well. Grok is there, where they have just put everything on their platform, and with the help of their platform you can able to use it. See, so this is a playground. Here the list of the all open source model that you can use. See, Gamma is there, Llama 3, Meta, all Meta models are there, Mistral is there. Okay, so this is all models that you can use. So go and check Mistral, do your whatever that you want to, and good to go. That's it. Got it? So this is a way that you can use it. So this is all about for today. Okay, in next session we will going to do the prompt engineering, which is going to happen on the Wednesday. Okay, if anyone have any questions, then